I'm back, and I know it's been a long time, but I haven't had anything good to review or open, and I finally ordered some Jeffree Star makeup. Is the new Orgy collection. Well, 2 items are from it. The other ones I just got because I've tried them before.
Stop the cap.
I'm actually wearing Jeffree Star lipstick right now.
Sir.
And it's called Jeffree Who, if you're interested. But I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I believe I ordered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. So here's the box. And I just hope that none of the stuff is broken. Well, I did order the eyeshadows, so that's why I said broken. But anytime I've ordered anything, everything has been good.
Stop the
so
cap.
I just saw some people like on the internet getting things in the past, but I've always had a good experience. Okay. So anyways, I know it's been a long time since I've posted a video. Sorry guys. I'll try to do better. So here it is. And I love how everything is very padded. That way it doesn't get damaged. This is the, ooh, I don't know how to say this. But it is one of my favorite colors. Is androgyny. Can I get some help? How do you say it? Well, that's how I think it's said. So I'll go with that. And I got the lipstick because I really, really like it. And that's the Velour liquid lipstick. And then I never tried Deceased, so I'm so excited. I really hope it looks good on me and it looks like the picture, because I've ordered this other lipstick, I don't know, and it was a little too pink, but I still wear it. All right, so here is the big reveal. Okay, good. Comes with bubble wrap.
Wow.
So this is what you're gonna expect if you order the Orgy.
Wow.
I don't know if it is sold out yet, but whenever I got it, I'm gonna say I was lucky, because most of the times that he comes out with anything, it sells out. So that's the mini Orgy. And I know a lot of people were talking about the name, but I believe that I heard her say something about, she was talking about the orgy of the colors. So I was like, okay.
Anyway, so.
But I mean, I don't really care. I love her products. So, I mean, what else can I expect? I wasn't gonna expect something, you know, too positive. I know what Jeffree's all about. Anyways, so here it is. And I'm gonna let you guys see it before I do.
Wow!
Ooh, that is gorgeous.
This is an epic
Wow.
Chungus moment.
Ooh, I mean, this is really, really gorgeous colors, and they're big.
Anyway,
So that makes me really happy, because a lot of eyeshadows, it's like a tiny little square. Man, this is a lot of products. So good job on that. So pretty without the little glass. So let's go for our next item, which is the one that I'm really excited about because I love nudes. I always do my makeup with just nudes. It's rare when I wear a different color. But here's the big one. And let's open it gently. So pretty, and it feels so soft. And I'm gonna let you guys see it before I do again. perfect. I just don't want to ruin it. Ooh. Wow. Okay, so I'm really happy again on the size, and I just feel like I spent my money well.
Stop the cap.
Because, I mean, it's big old squares. It's gonna last me a while.
Stop the cap.
I don't want to mess with it, so I'm not gonna do like a collar swatch or anything like that because I just don't want to mess with it. It's so pretty. And here's a close-up.
Wow.
Well, overall, I am so happy with my purchase. I already know I'm gonna love these two. I can't wait to try the C's. Maybe I'll do a short video on my Instagram on how it looks on me while I apply it. So follow me. Anyways, I'm so excited to be back. I hope I can do more videos. I'm gonna think outside the box and just start making more videos for you guys. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment below. And I'll put the names of the stuff that I got, which, I mean, you guys can see it, but the other lipstick and the lip liner. So anyways, talk to you guys later. Bye.